Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you what to do if your accounting link in the left-hand menu of Sage Construction Management is missing. So don't panic. First things first, we're going to go and check to make sure that we're logged in as an administrator, because that could be the issue. Check this little person up here out. Make sure that administrator is written next to your name. If not, then log out and log back in as an administrator. The next thing that we want to do is log in on multiple browsers. Don't try just Edge, try Chrome, and also Incognito Chrome might be the best one to try as well. So next, if you've tried both of those different browsers, still doesn't work, we're going to go into Settings, Company Settings, Profile, scroll all the way down to External Applications Being Used. You're going to go to Accounting System, click a random one. It cannot be the one that you're using and does not need to be one that you have. You're going to save it. Then you're going to go back to the one that you are using and you want hooked up. You are going to save it again, just as a little reset. Now you are going to log out. So you are going to close this browser. You're going to go down and open up the new browser and go to the SCM login page again. You're going to log in. And once you're re-logged in, you want to confirm that the accounting link is over here on the left-hand menu. If this issue continues to persist, then you need to reach out for support. I hope this helped. Thank you.